Hey guys, today we are making a delicious and beautiful coconut cake. We have a full tutorial how to make the cake and how to decorate it like this. It's very simple and tasty. And when we take out the slice, as you can see, it's laid into pieces. So it has a filling in between. So let's get started with the ingredients. 1 cup of room temperature butter or margarine. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of buttermilk. To make buttermilk, you'll need room temperature whole milk, and mix in 1 tablespoon of lemon or vinegar, white vinegar, and leave it to rest for 10 minutes, and then you have buttermilk. So this recipe fills 2 circular trays. So we're going to grease our tray with a little bit of butter. This prevents the cake from sticking to the tray. And add some little bit of flour and sprinkle that around your tray. Make sure you preheated your oven. Now in a bowl, place your butter in. Now with your butter, you're going to pour in your sugar. And just quickly stir that around. Now beat it with the hand beater, electric mixer, until it's nice and fluffy. Now you're adding in your vanilla and beating that as well. Now you're going to add 1 of your beaten eggs and then beat your cake mixture. So gradually add the egg while beating. Now sieve in your baking powder, baking soda and salt to prevent any lumps, and a bit of your flour, not all of it. So sieve a bit in. And leave the rest aside and then beat it first. Just give it a mix first, then beat so the flour doesn't go everywhere. And beat. Now add a bit more of your flour. And do the same process again. And add half of your buttermilk. And leave the other half aside. And then beat. Now add the rest of your flour and the rest of your buttermilk. So as you can see, it's a thick cake mixture and it's done. Now we're going to pour it into our tin. Do you want to fill it right to the top because it's going to rise? And spread it out. And you're going to bake this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Depending on the oven, it may take longer or quicker. So check it. At 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Now the decorating ingredients are shredded coconut, double cream or heavy cream, whichever you call it, and powdered sugar or confection sugar or icing sugar. Firstly, we're going to make our whipped cream. So you're going to beat your double cream and gradually add your powdered sugar until you get the whipped cream. fully baked. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means it's fully baked. Now you're going to circle your cake with a knife. And then take it out and leave it to cool down. So we halved our cakes and cut off the top where it has risen a bit too much, and we're going to just brush a little bit of coconut milk, or you can use normal milk just to soak it a little. Now in each layer we're going to add our whipped cream and shredded coconut. So here we have our simple, easy and really beautiful and delicious coconut cake. It's perfect for any special occasion, so be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!